What's up, everybody? My name is Dave. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do new videos all the time on Etsy, e-commerce, and personal success. In this video, I want to talk about how to grow your Etsy shop as fast as possible. Yes, Etsy shops can go viral on Etsy. Etsy shops can blow up overnight. How does that happen? Well, I'm just going to get right to it. They're unique. They're very unique and they brand themselves properly. I have talked a lot about on this channel about duplicating listings, about this tactic, about that tactic, and I feel like I have done you guys an injustice and not have really talked about the most important part is your branding process and looking good, because you can just crap listings onto Etsy. Like you can list a 50 listings a day, but it's not going to work if you don't have unique products. So how did my Etsy shop grow so quickly? We had products, we made our products, and nobody else had them. I was making really cool wooden and gemstone necklaces, and my partner Emily still makes them and was making really cool designer style crystal bracelets, right? And it was unique. And yes, we did everything else properly, like everything that I talk about on this channel, for example, SEO and all the tactics, promoted listings, all of that stuff you need to know. You need to know that stuff. But if you are just looking so spammy, or if you just don't look right, then you're not going to grow quickly. You could have literally all of your ducks in a row. I could send you all of my courses, all of my ebooks. I could coach you 1 hour a day. But if you don't have your ducks in a row in terms of branding, then you're going to lose. I'm going to go through some cool brands right now. Supreme has unique stuff. Who's going to wear that? I don't know. I'm not going to wear it. You're probably not going to wear it. But they have their tribe. They found their tribe. But if you are following all of the necessary tactics on Etsy, but you're not really finding your tribe or finding like your voice, finding your look, then it's going to seem like you're just scattered. It's going to seem like you're just losing the whole time because you don't even know who you are. So this is a main concern for a lot of you guys, because I see a lot of you guys just scattered all over the place. You have no idea who you are. You're really, really focused in on some of my videos and other people's videos about SEO and all this stuff, but you don't even know what the product you want to sell is. So I want you to stop crapping listings onto Etsy, and I want you to sit down and really think about your goal with your business, who you want to be, who you want to appear as. I'm not telling you to look like Versace, because I don't even know who. I guess I'd wear this one on the left, and I would wear this like as a joke maybe, but you get the point. Like it's just they found their tribe and they just find it's just weird stuff. I don't know, and people like it. So what I'm getting at today, you guys, is you need to find your brand. You need to stop crapping listings onto Etsy, because if you're crapping listings onto Etsy, that's literally the reason why Etsy needs to make all these algorithm changes all the time. If you're crapping crap onto Etsy and then you're throwing money at it with promoted listings, yeah, the whole platform gets cluttered. And guess what? All the drop shippers do the same exact thing. You know, the people that are breaking the rules on Etsy, the people that you're all mad about, yeah, those people break the rules and they crap onto Etsy. So don't crap onto Etsy with them. The whole strategy is to find something that's unique to yourself. Even if you're doing print on demand, and everyone else can sell that Bella Canva t-shirt. Everyone can sell a Giljan, or however you pronounce it, t-shirt, sure. But you need to find your own unique designs. Like, don't go out and buy commercial designs, because that's actually not even allowed on Etsy. You have to design it yourself to some degree, right? And if someone else designs it, you got to put them in your shop as well. So you keep that in mind. You have to be cool. It's really, really simple, but all of us can get really mixed up in the whole scatteredness and chaos of finding, like, oh, what's the best SEO strategy? Oh, what's the Etsy hack? That's a huge search term on YouTube here. Etsy hack. That's not the goal here. You're not trying to hack the system. You're trying to become awesome. and have that momentum behind you in the algorithm, because a lot of people don't realize, but the Etsy algorithm is just like social media algorithm. It's just like an Instagram algorithm. It goes based off of engagement. Everyone's like hyper focused in on SEO, and I feel bad for the people who are, because SEO is not the final frontier, you guys. Like I've said before on this channel, like I've outranked shops with better SEO than me just because of like the history of the listing or the click-through rate and stuff like that. Sure, it may die out eventually if I have terrible SEO, but you get the point. There's other things that rank you besides SEO. So the whole algorithm and the search results goes based off of engagement. So start thinking of the Etsy search results like an Instagram algorithm or a Facebook algorithm. The more likes or the more whatever you get, the higher you're gonna be, okay? So sure, Etsy is a shopping platform, but social people come to it. People think socially. People need social proof. If you're not familiar with that term, get familiar with that term and learn it. Social proof. It's like the reason why you're more willing to buy something if there's 1,000 good reviews on it versus 2 good ones and 1 bad one. That's social proof. Oh, everybody else got it and enjoyed it. I'm very likely to get it and enjoy it as well. And it's even a Facebook ad strategy. Like you make a post on Facebook and then you use that existing post on a lot of Facebook ads, because all the same likes and comments goes to the same ad, even though you have different ad sets and different targeting. There's a Facebook ad hack for you if you want hacks. But in terms of looking cool, I'm really making it elementary. You have to be cool. You can't, right now you have to think to yourself, am I half baking my Etsy shop? Are the listings and products I'm making are half baked? Can I do better? You need to ask yourself that. Can I do better? Would I even buy this myself? Like, I'm in the niches that I sell to, I am in personally, and I have to ask myself, would I buy this? Would I wear this? Because if I wouldn't, I don't want to try to sell it, because it's tougher to find that tribe, find that audience. So this is a big, big thing I want you to really focus in on. Stop crapping listings onto Etsy. Sit down and think of a few new unique products that you can make, and sit down with whatever software you use. I prefer Marmalade. The link is in the description if you want. And find some good audiences for those new unique products. If you already know some good audiences and you're already branded, then focus on making more unique products. They're out there. If you craft stuff, you can probably make something just a little bit different. For example, I used to carve wooden spoons, and I needed to make more products, so I started carving bowls. I started making spatulas, etc. So that was way, way, way back when. I don't carve spoons anymore, but I did start crafting and thinking of product designs and product lines, because if you're just crapping half-baked listings on Etsy, it's bad for you, it's bad for Etsy, it's bad for me, it's bad for everyone else, because Etsy now has to organize all this junk that's on their site, this half-baked junk. And that's why all the algorithms, whether it be Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, etc., that is why all of these algorithms have moved towards engagement-based more than SEO. Sure, the SEO is like, okay, where do we like categorize this stuff? Where do we put it? What's it called? Yeah, but you're gonna rank if you get engagement on it, click-through rate, amount of reviews, amount of sales, etc. These types of things rank you way, way more than you even realize. And if you've heard me say this before, let me say this again, because you need to think about it even more. Your photo, the first thing somebody sees is your photo. You need to make that photo awesome and test different versions of that thumbnail. So, long story short, you guys, stop crapping listings and start making unique products. That is how you grow your shop fast, okay? Because when people see really unique products, they buy it, it snowballs, you start ranking, and then boom, you're very, very popular. Okay, that is how you do it. That's how you grow your shop fast. That's the new SEO strategy, okay? The new SEO strategy is to have good stuff first, then go find some cool people. And you can, of course, do it the other way. Like the video I did previous to this is first you find keywords, then you create a cool listing for it, right? But make sure that listing is a very unique product. Don't get confused when you focus in on SEO, you focus in on all these tactics, okay? So please watch my next video and have a beautiful day.